reporting live the day after the northeastern storm. As you can see in the background, there's many people shoveling. As you can see, the snow is so heavy, it has weighed down the branches and split the tree in half. Another tree has fallen. You can see that it was one big tree, but from the snow, only half of it has snapped. Then another tree has fallen. It is hanging by a thread. The snow got very heavy and had led one tree to snap into two. The snow plowers couldn't even go past it. They can't even pick up the tree. They had to stop plowing. You can see that it has curved. The tree has curved, and it is hanging by these little pieces of wood. Hi, I'm here with Alex. Alex, did you use power?
Yes, around 4 p.m.
Did you have any power throughout the whole night or no?
My house didn't, but my neighbors did. They used the generator like last night, and we had everything except for cable.
That's good. Did you see this tree fall?
Yeah, we actually were walking right here, and it just missed us.
Oh wow! Thank God you're okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for letting me interview you today.
You're welcome.
This is Dominique Live. After the snowstorm, it appears that an apple tree has fallen in a backyard. If you get it from this shot, you can see that it has completely came out of the ground. The roots came up out of the ground. You can see they're starting to tear and the branches has been broken. Hi, this is Dominic and I'm here live with my dog Snooki. How's the weather today? As you can see, one of the branches has fell off of this tree. The snow is so heavy today. This is a family that got affected by the snowstorm very much. 2 days without power and no heat. Was it very hard to manage?
Yes.
So you still don't have power?
No.
Do you know when you guys will get power?
They say within a week.
A
Power?
week? Oh wow. What is the thing that you most miss about power?
Electricity.
Like a TV, what do you miss the most?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Do you have any pets?
Everything.
Do you have a pet?
Yes.
What kind of pet?
Me.
What kind of pet?
A dog.
A dog? Where's the dog?
Right here. He's sleeping.
How is he doing without electricity and
We don't know if he's gonna make it.
Okay, well this is a tragedy that had happened. Thank you, the Henderson family. Hi, this is Dominique reporting live. As you can see, it is very windy out. It is 54 Fahrenheit, and I'm in the northeast weather storm. Hi, this is Dominique reporting live, interviewing Luciano. So, how's the weather been?
I don't know.
Has it been snowing?
Yeah.
A lot?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did your tree fall down?
No. Yes.
Yeah. What kind of tree was it?
It's an apple.
Apple tree? And it fell?
That's all. I don't know where it got.
Did you see any other trees fall down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dominique, and I'm reporting here live with Marie. So how's the weather been?
Bad.
It's been bad? Did your tree fall?
Yeah.
What kind of tree?
Apple.
Apple?
Listen to mine.
Did you see any other things happening?
Hey.
Did you lose power?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you, Marie. What are you cooking today?
Pasta.
Pasta with what?
Meatball.
Meatball? Okay, I'll be here to eat it.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam.
As you can see, this is a family that got affected by the snowstorm and lost power for 2 days.
Phone! Power! It's a mirror! circle!
Hello, this is Dominique and I'm live, and I'm here with my dog Snooki. How's the weather been, Snooks? She's a little shy.
How about the Peppy family?
Okay.
Well, don't put somebody's name there.
I don't know.
You know them, so shut up.
I don't know Henderson.
Alright, do the,
Baltimore.
Baltimore?
Are we from Harry Potter?
Well, yeah, the Baltimore thing. I'm Hermione.
I'm Harry.
This is wrong.
This is a family that got affected by the snowstorm, and they all lost power.
Mom?
Was it very? Is it very hard without living without power?
Yes.
So you couldn't play the Wii,
No.
watch TV.
No.
What was the hardest for you? Oh wait, stop! Now we have to redo it. Verbal. Hi.
Go call my cousin. Alright.
Cool. Shut up. We're in the middle of it. I'm here with Alex, and don't do that.
Okay, go.
I'm here with Alex. Hi, Alex. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. So, did you lose power yesterday?
Yes, I lost it since last week. Since before the storm.
No, we did. Hi, I'm here with Alex. Did you lose power yesterday?
Yeah, I was actually the first person in the whole world to lose it.